Okay, question number 4. Alright, key bit on here is geometric series. It gives us the first term and it gives us a common ratio. Okay, alright, going through them. Asking for the 20th term. Well, you should know from your formula sheet that un is equal to ar to the minus 1. Right then, so to get the 20th, I'm going to sub in my a. So for u20, 20th term, I'm going to get 5 multiplied by 1.2 to the power of 19. Put it into my calculator. It gives me 159.7. One decimal place. Next, it's the sum of. So going off the formula sheet, we know that the sum of, put it here, is equal to a bracket 1 minus r n all over 1 minus r. So all I'm going to do is substitute in what information I've got. So I've got 5, 1 minus 1.2, this times the power of 20, because it's just n, all over 1 minus 1.2. Okay, so some 20 equals, and literally just put into your calculator. And you get an overall answer of 933.4. Okay, that was all part A. For part B, we're doing the sum of again, so we're going to use our formula, but this time we haven't been given what the nth term is, what the n's going to be, so we'll just replace in what we have. So we got 5 brackets 1 minus 1.2, this time n, move up, all over 1 minus 1.2. Okay, and what we're going to say here is that is greater than 3000. Right, so I'm going to do some rearranging here. I know this bottom bit is going to give me minus 0.2, so 3000 divided by 3000 multiplied even, which will give me minus 600 under it. So I'll get here minus 600. All I've done is I've moved that over. So 1. Okay. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'll divide this by 5. So I'll get minus 120 equals 1 minus 1.2n still. What I'll then do is I'll take this over, give me minus 121 equals minus 1.2n. Minus is on both sides, flip the inequality, make them both positive. Right, I'm at this point now. Now you should know from your logarithm lessons, when you've got an unknown power, you can sort it out. So I'm going to put them as both logs. Log 1.2. Now, because this is a natural log, it'll be log 10, 1.2. And I know off my power rule, I can bring this forward. I'm just going to write that there. Alright, next bit then. I'm just going to rearrange. So I'll get n stan log 121 all over the log of 1.2. Okay, I'll put that in my calculator. So we've got log 121 all over the log of 1.2. I get an answer of 26.3, so n is less than 26.3. Now, if you think about it, if you were buying carpets and you needed 26 points of something, you wouldn't go for the 26, you'd buy more. So it's got to be over that period. So n is equal to 27 in this case. And that's that.